Have you ever stopped to wonder what it would be like to see the universe come alive right before your eyes? Imagine looking up at the night sky and witnessing a rare cosmic dance, a celestial alignment so breathtaking that it feels like the heavens themselves are putting on a performance just for you. On January 25th, 2025, this exact phenomenon will occur. Known as a planet parade, this astronomical event will see 6 of our solar system's most iconic planets, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, align in the night sky. This alignment's sheer rarity and beauty make it an unmissable moment, a spectacle that promises to captivate anyone who takes the time to look up. Ever wondered what's up there that we can't see? I'm Umbra, and I'll reveal it all. Keep watching! A planet parade might sound like a whimsical idea, but it's an honest and awe-inspiring phenomenon. It occurs when several planets align in the same region of the sky as seen from Earth, creating the illusion that they are grouped closely together. In reality, these planets are separated by millions of miles, but from our vantage point, their alignment creates a celestial masterpiece. This alignment isn't just a fleeting moment, it spans several days. However, astronomers have identified January 25th as the peak night, offering the clearest and most mesmerizing view of the event. What makes it even more remarkable is that you don't need fancy equipment to enjoy it. Just a clear sky, a sense of wonder, and a little preparation. The planets involved in this alignment each bring their own unique beauty to the parade. Venus, often called the evening star, will shine the brightest, casting a brilliant light that dominates the western sky after sunset. With its distinctive reddish glow, Mars will add a warm, fiery hue to the lineup. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, will dazzle with its size and brilliance, and if you have a pair of binoculars or a small telescope, you might even catch a glimpse of its 4 largest moons. Saturn, famous for its stunning rings, will be a highlight of the parade, and with the right equipment, you can observe its rings in detail. Then there are the outer giants, Uranus and Neptune. These distant planets are usually challenging to spot, but during the parade, they'll be positioned for easier observation. Uranus will appear as a pale blue dot, while Neptune will glow faintly in a deep blue hue, rewarding those who take the time to look carefully. What makes this event even more fascinating is its rarity. Planet parades don't happen every day, and when they do, the alignment isn't always this spectacular. The synchronization of the planets' orbits to create such a precise arrangement is a cosmic coincidence that takes years, even decades, to occur. Each planet orbits the Sun at its own unique pace, with the inner planets completing their journeys much faster than the outer ones. Occasionally, their orbits align just right, creating a moment when they appear grouped together in the night sky. This isn't just a random occurrence. It's the result of gravitational forces and the intricate dance of celestial mechanics that has been unfolding for billions of years. To fully appreciate this rare alignment, preparation is key. First, find a location away from city lights to minimize light pollution. The darker the sky, the clearer the view of the planets will be. Parks, open fields, or areas with higher elevation are ideal spots for stargazing. Next, check the weather forecast for January 25th and the days surrounding it. Clear skies are essential for observing celestial events, so plan accordingly. Just after sunset, turn your gaze to the western horizon, where the planets will appear to line up one after the other. Venus will be the first to emerge, followed by Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and the more distant Uranus and Neptune. While Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn are visible to the naked eye, binoculars or a small telescope will enhance your view, especially for the fainter planets. This planet parade isn't just a visual treat, it's a moment to reflect on the wonders of the universe. Events like these remind us of our place in the cosmos, offering a sense of connection to something far greater than ourselves. When you stand beneath the night sky and witness the alignment of these distant worlds, it's impossible not to feel a sense of awe and wonder. The vastness of space, the precision of celestial mechanics, and the beauty of our solar system come together to create a moment that transcends everyday life. It's a chance to pause, look up, and marvel at the extraordinary universe we're a part of. This alignment also provides a unique opportunity to learn about astronomy and engage with the night sky. For seasoned stargazers, it's a chance to observe familiar planets in a new arrangement, while for beginners, it's an accessible introduction to the wonders of space. Whether you're using a high-powered telescope, a pair of binoculars, or simply your eyes, there's something magical about observing these planets and imagining their distant worlds. Jupiter's swirling storms, Saturn's icy rings, and Neptune's mysterious deep blue are all part of the story unfolding above us. The beauty of January 25, 2025 Planet Parade lies not only in its scientific significance, but also in the sheer visual splendor it promises to deliver. For sky enthusiasts and casual stargazers alike, this is an event that transcends science and becomes a deeply emotional experience. As the sun dips below the horizon on that special evening, the western sky will gradually come alive with a stunning alignment of 6 planets. Venus, the brightest of them all, will capture attention immediately, acting as a celestial beacon that heralds the arrival of the other planets. Following Venus, Mars will appear with its signature reddish hue, a stark contrast to the other points of light. Together, they will lead the parade, setting the stage for an unforgettable night. Jupiter, known for its massive size and intense brightness, will shine prominently as the third planet in this celestial lineup. Its brilliance will rival that of Venus, and if you're equipped with a telescope or even binoculars, you may spot its Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, orbiting around it like tiny companions. Next in line is Saturn, whose presence will add elegance to the parade. While its iconic rings won't be visible to the naked eye, a small telescope will reveal them in all their glory. Their shimmering beauty is a reminder of the intricate structures and phenomena that exist in our solar system, far beyond what the human eye can naturally perceive. Then come Uranus and Neptune, the outermost planets included in this alignment. They are the most elusive members of the parade, often too faint to see without some assistance. Uranus, with its pale blue-green color, will require at least a pair of binoculars to spot. Neptune, even farther away, will appear as a small bluish dot in the night sky, challenging but rewarding to locate. Their inclusion in this event adds a layer of depth to the experience, encouraging those observing to stretch their gaze and explore the furthest reaches of our solar system. What makes this particular alignment so accessible is its timing. Shortly after sunset, when the western horizon begins to darken, the planets will become increasingly visible. The gentle twilight will serve as a backdrop for this cosmic display, making it easy for people of all ages and experience levels to participate. The alignment's location in the western sky ensures that it can be observed from almost anywhere in the world, as long as there are clear skies and minimal light pollution. Urban dwellers might need to venture to the outskirts of their cities, where artificial lights don't overpower the night, but the reward will be well worth the effort. Astronomy enthusiasts often talk about the humbling effect of stargazing, and events like the Planet Parade exemplify this feeling. When you look up and see planets that are millions, even billions of miles away from Earth, it puts everything into perspective. Each of these planets has its own story, its own mysteries. Venus is a scorching world covered in clouds of sulfuric acid. Mars, our closest neighbor, is a frozen desert that once may have harbored life. Jupiter is a giant of storms, with a great red spot that has been raging for centuries. Saturn's icy rings are a marvel of physics, while Uranus and Neptune, with their frozen atmospheres, remain some of the least understood worlds in our solar system. Seeing them all together in one line is a reminder of the vast diversity and beauty of our cosmic neighborhood. The January 25th Planet Parade isn't just about the planets themselves, it's also about the people who observe them. Around the world, individuals, families, and communities will gather to witness this rare alignment. Observatories and astronomy clubs are likely to host special events, inviting people to look through telescopes and learn more about the planets. For many, this will be their first time engaging with the night sky in such a meaningful way. Children in particular might find their imaginations sparked by the sight of these distant worlds. Who knows how many future astronomers, scientists, or explorers will be inspired by this one night? Even if you're observing alone, there's something profoundly connecting about looking up at the same sky as millions of others around the world. The alignment serves as a shared experience, a reminder that we all live on the same small planet orbiting the same star. In a time when division and conflict often dominate the headlines, the Planet Parade is a unifying moment, proof that the wonders of the universe belong to everyone. For those who are able to capture the event with photography, the Planet Parade will offer incredible opportunities. Astrophotographers will likely be out in full force, using long exposure techniques to capture the beauty of the alignment. For beginners, even a smartphone with a good camera and a tripod can yield impressive results. The key is to plan ahead, scout your location, check the timing of the alignment, and experiment with your equipment to ensure you're ready when the planets make their appearance. If you miss the event on January 25th, don't worry. The alignment will still be visible for several days, albeit with slightly different positions. However, the 25th is predicted to be the most optimal night for viewing, with the planets arranged in their closest and most visually striking configuration. It's always a good idea to start observing a bit earlier on the nights leading up to the peak to familiarize yourself with the sky and get a sense of where the planets will appear. This event is also a chance to deepen your knowledge of astronomy. While enjoying the view, take the time to learn about the planets you're observing. Why does Venus shine so brightly? What causes Jupiter's Great Red Spot? How were Uranus and Neptune discovered? Understanding the science behind these celestial objects can enhance your appreciation of their beauty. It's one thing to see a point of light in the sky, and quite another to know that it's a massive planet with its own moons, storms, and geological history. As the night of January 25th approaches, make your preparations. Clear your schedule, gather your stargazing tools, and spread the word to friends and family. Encourage others to step outside and experience this rare event. And when the time comes, take a moment to simply enjoy the view. Look up, let the vastness of the universe sink in, and marvel at the fact that you're witnessing a phenomenon that has taken years to unfold. In the end, the Planet Parade of 2025 isn't just a rare alignment of celestial objects, it's an invitation. It invites us to pause and reflect on the wonders of the universe, to connect with the night sky, and to remember that we are all part of something far greater than ourselves. So, as the planets align and the sky becomes a canvas of cosmic beauty, ask yourself, will you answer that invitation? Will you step outside, look up, and be a part of this extraordinary moment in history? The choice is yours, and the universe is waiting.